Next, man and society. What are the relations between man and society? Man needs society to fulfill their needs. Man is a social being, gregarious, which means sociable, undeserved in nature. People enjoy group life. Human life, individual and society always go together. Man needs society to meet their needs, including biological needs, safety needs, love and affection, security needs, and needs of self-esteem and self-actualization. Relation between individual and society. First, individual and family system. The family created by individuals to fulfill their needs, mainly fulfill their biological needs, such as food, water, shelter, and sex needs, as well as maternity needs. Second, individual and religious system. Religion created by individuals to fulfill their belief needs. 3. Individual and education system. The educational system created by individuals to fulfill their educational needs. 4. Individual and economic system. The economic system depends upon individual needs. 5. Individual and community. Community created by group of individuals such as familial groups, economic groups, religious groups, political groups, etc. 6. Individual and social groups. Every social groups created to fulfill the individual needs. 7. Individual and welfare organizations. The welfare services such as child welfare, women welfare, welfare for old age and disabled, governed by individuals. 8. Individual and political system. Government created by individuals in our society by means of democratic principles. 9. Individual and ecosystem. Ecosystem means environment. The man always depends on environment. The individual activities should be environment friendly. Thank you. Have a nice day.